Okay, Chapter 12, Section 2, Active Reading Review. Number 1, recall what happens to the DNA double helix so that DNA polymerase can begin adding appropriate nucleotides. The DNA helicase enzyme unwinds the double helix, typo, single-stranded binding proteins keep the strand separated, and as the helix unwinds, RNA primase adds an RNA primer on each DNA strand. Number 2, explain what Okazaki fragments are. Okazaki fragments are small, discontinuous segments of DNA made by DNA polymerase on the lagging strand of DNA that is being replicated. Number three, describe how Okazaki fragments are joined. When the DNA polymerase comes to the next RNA primer, it removes the primer and fills in the place with a DNA nucleotide. DNA ligase links the end DNA nucleotides together. Number 4, indicate why eukaryotic DNA is replicated in multiple areas at once, while in prokaryotes like bacteria, DNA replication begins in only one area. Basically, eukaryotic DNA, it's much more complex than prokaryotic DNA. However, eukaryotic DNA is longer, like basically what I just said. It's longer and it's more complex. And replicating in multiple areas with eukaryotic DNA allows the DNA to be replicated more quickly because there's a lot more of it. Prokaryotic DNA is more in a what we call a circular shape. So it starts at one end and can almost just go around almost like a train track, if you will, okay, in a circle. Good. I almost said any questions. Number 5, the Roman Emperor Claudius probably died from a buildup of toxins in his body as a result of liver failure. Historians believe his liver failed because he ate poisonous mushrooms that his wife gave him. The mushrooms contained a substance that prevents the synthesis of mRNA from DNA. Deduce how a substance that stops the synthesis of mRNA could cause liver failure. The substance in the mushroom blocks the production of mRNA from DNA, so the liver cells are unable to produce new proteins. Therefore, the liver lacks the enzymes it needs to process and remove toxins from the blood. All right, hope this helps. This is Mr. Case, signing off.